Welcome back. Just imagine. You have lost your mobile, or your phone goes missing. Your first step may be to find a way to track it down, by searching for advice on Google, or maybe your second step, after getting panic. In this video, I'm gonna show how to find your lost Android phone, directly through Google. Excited? Then stick till the end. And those who are watching, make sure to subscribe for more tech updates. Let's begin. Google's Find My Device feature offers a very simple way to track down your phone, whether it's been left behind in a cab, or a coffee shop, or simply misplaced behind the couch cushions. Find My Device also works with other Android-powered gadgets, including tablets and smartwatches. Assuming that your phone has location services turned on and synced with your Google account, Google can track your phone right from its homepage. Just go to Google and type "I lost my phone" or "Find My Device" into the search box. Alternatively, you can type it into your browser's address bar, if Google is set as your default search engine. If this is the first time you've used the Find My Device feature, you'll see a message asking you to allow Google to use location data, device information, and connection events to locate your devices and accessories. Click Allow to confirm. Google will now search for your device and show your phone's location on a map. This is accurate to within about 50 feet, and often even less. Google will even tell you your phone's current signal strength and battery level. To pinpoint the exact location of your device, click Play Sound. This will make your phone ring for up to 5 minutes, even if it's set to silent mode. Press the power button on the device when you find it to stop it ringing, or click the Stop Ringing button in your browser. If your phone is in a public place, you should lock the screen to protect your privacy. Google helpfully lets you display an on-screen message, so that anyone who finds your device can contact you. Click Secure Device to lock your phone, and you'll see a message confirming that your device is secured. You can still use Find My Device to locate your phone. You can click Dismiss to close this message, or choose Security Checkup to check activity in your Google account, in case anyone's been using your lost phone. If your phone contains sensitive information, and Google has located your phone in another state or country, you may want to remotely erase the device to stop anyone from accessing your data. However, this is very much a nuclear option, because it will permanently wipe your phone clean and prevent you from using Find My Device's locate, ring, and lock features. You should really only use it as a last option. To proceed anyway, click the Erase Device button, then Erase Device again. You'll be prompted to sign into your Google account to confirm the deletion. You can always be able to locate your lost phone via Google, using the above described method, if Find My Device is enabled on your Android phone. To check that the feature is turned on, to safeguard you against future loss, go to Settings, then Security on your Android phone. Tap Find My Device and ensure the toggle is set to on. Was this video useful? If yes, do subscribe to our channel. And if you have any suggestions, feel free to use the comment section. See you all in the next video. And until then, goodbye.